Hey guys, Ari Wintraub back again, your favorite Los Angeles realtor, and I'm really excited to show you today my latest listing at the Chateau de Chene, appropriately named the Oak House because we are at 430 North Oakhurst Drive. This is a full-service luxury building. The unit's 4 beds, 3 baths, has incredible natural light, it's been fully updated, and offers 4 full balconies. So without further ado, come on in, let's check it out. Hey guys, thank you so much for checking out this great unit. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe below, and stay tuned for more real estate content coming soon.